Hey everyone, imagine this. You've got a 1973 Ford Mustang Mach 1, a classic beauty that's seen better days. Now imagine you've also been diagnosed with ALS, a tough break that makes every memory and every moment count even more. That's the reality for one man in New Caney, Texas, but here's where the story takes a turn from heartache to heartwarming. You see, car enthusiasts often get a bad rap, accused of caring more about their rides than anything else. But let me tell you, that stereotype couldn't be further from the truth, especially in this community. In this tale, it's not just about cars, it's about camaraderie, about lifting each other up when the going gets tough. This man's friends, a dedicated group of gearheads, decided to put their love for cars to good use. They took it upon themselves to restore this Mustang, dedicating countless hours over a full year. And it wasn't just them, their families pitched in, supporting this labor of love, all to bring a smile to their friend's face and a sparkle to his eye. But they didn't stop there. No, they turned the car's reveal into a classic car show, transforming it into a fundraising event to support their friend's battle with ALS. Imagine the sheer joy, the overwhelming emotion when he saw his beloved Mustang, not only restored to its former glory, but also serving as a beacon of hope and support from his community. This, my friends, is what the car community is all about. It's not just engines and exhaust, it's people, passion, and the power of friendship. It's about pulling together to help one of their own, making a tangible difference through what they know best: cars. So next time you hear someone say that car enthusiasts only care about their vehicles, remember this story. Remember the heart and soul poured into every chrome detail, every polished hood, because sometimes a car is not just a car, sometimes it's a lifeline, a symbol of hope and a testament to true friendship. And that's a story worth sharing. Thanks for tuning in, and let's keep spreading the word about the incredible ways people can come together to make a difference. Keep caring, keep supporting, and of course, keep loving those cars. They might just be the key to more than you think.